So good morning student. In last lecture we have discussed about the various reactions of ether. आपण इथरच्या वेगवेगळ्या रिएक्शन्स बघितल्या आणि त्याच्यामध्ये विशेषतः आपण ॲलिफॅटिक जे इथर होते त्या इथरच्या वेगवेगळ्या रिएक्शन्स बघितलेल्या. आज आपल्याला काही इम्पॉर्टंट रिएक्शन्स नवीन सिलेबस प्रमाणे आपल्या या चॅप्टरमध्ये ॲड केलेल्या आहेत. त्या रिएक्शन्स आहेत द रिएक्शन्स ऑफ ॲरोमॅटिक इथर. मग आता ॲरोमॅटिक इथरच्या ज्या रिएक्शन्स आहेत त्या नेमक्या कोणत्या रिएक्शन्स आहेत तर त्या पूर्ण रिएक्शन्स द रिएक्शन्स ऑफ ॲरोमॅटिक इथर हेडिंग द्या. पहिलं रिएक्शन्स ऑफ ॲरोमॅटिक इथर मध्ये फर्स्ट रिएक्शन इन अवर सिलेबस इज हॅलोजिनेशन. हॅलोजिनेशन ऑफ ether. And in halogenation of ether, there is special reaction is given, that is bromination. That is bromination of anisole. Bromination of anisole. What is anisole? Anisole is the aromatic ether. So, what is this reaction? इकडे लक्ष द्या. For example, suppose we have taken this aromatic ether. It is aromatic ether. This O, it is CH3. What is the name of this compound? It is anisole, methoxybenzene. It is anisole. And when this anisole undergoes bromination in presence of acetic acid, in presence of what? Acetic acid. And remember, bromination is carried out in presence of acetic acid. So, acetic acid च्या कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये जर आपण ब्रोमिनेशन केलं या एनिसोलचं तर व्हॉट विल बी द प्रॉडक्ट? वी नो दॅट all ethers, all phenols shows the electrophilic substitution type of reaction. Why it shows the electrophilic substitution type of reaction? Because we know that this alkoxy group is showing the plus R effect. It shows which effect? Plus R effect. And due to the plus R effect, there is the electron density is accumulated at the ortho and para position of that corresponding aromatic ether. Very simple. For example, this oxygen has the lone pair of electron as like phenol. The resonance structure of this ether is also as like the phenol. It shows the plus R effect, and due to that plus R effect, whatever electrons are present, these electrons are delocalized along the benzene ring, and due to the delocalization, when the electron, that is the lone pair of electron present on this oxygen, activates the benzene ring. They are activating the benzene ring. Due to that, what happens? This pi bonded electron, which is present within the benzene ring, are shifted, and that is electron density is accumulated at the ortho position. अगदी सिंपल पद्धतीने लक्षात ठेवा. जसं आपण फिनॉलचं रेझोनन्स स्ट्रक्चर बघितले तसेच इथरचे रेझोनन्स स्ट्रक्चर्स आपण दाखवू शकतो. कारण हा जो अल्कॉक्सी ग्रुप आहे हा इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग आहे. मीन्स इट ऍक्टिव्हेट द बेंझिन रिंग. मीन्स इट शोज द प्लस आर इफेक्ट, and due to that plus R effect, electron density is accumulated at ortho position as well as para position as well as this ortho position. Means, if suppose this ether has to undergo any reaction, it will undergo which type of reaction? Electrophilic substitution reaction, because it is having the negative charge. आता मग मला सांगायचंय की ज्या वेळेस आपण याचं ब्रोमिनेशन करतो आणि ब्रोमिनेशन करत असताना इन प्रेझेन्स ऑफ एसिटिक ऍसिड व्हॉट विल हॅपन? There will be the formation of one Br plus and one Br minus. Okay. And this Br plus is nothing but the electrophile. And that Br plus will attack on that Br plus will attack on this ortho position as well as on this para position. Okay. So depending upon the attack of the Br plus in presence of acetic acid, there may be the possibility of two products. There will be the formation of two products. First one is, suppose we are showing the ortho substituent, that is Br plus will attach at the ortho site. What is this? It is ether anisole. What is the name of this ether? What is the name of this ether? It is orthobromo anisole. काय नाव झालं याचं? Orthobromo anisole. Another one product is, what is this? Second possibility, it is anisole and that Br plus will be attached at the para position. Okay. So my question is that which product should be major product? So remember, we know the basic of ortho and para substituents. When Br is present at the ortho position, is there any chance to form the hydrogen bonding? No. So this product will be unstable as compared to the para product, because when Br is attached to the fourth position, that is para position, it shows the symmetry. And due to the symmetry, remember, due to the symmetry, here is para-bromo anisole is more stable than ortho-bromo anisole. Or we can say that कोणत्या प्रॉडक्टचं जी पॉसिबिलिटी आहे, यील्ड जे आहे ते कोणत्या प्रॉडक्टचं जास्त असेल? प्यारा प्रॉडक्टचं. सो वी कॅन से दॅट इट इज नियर अबाउट 90% and it is 10%. This reaction is called as bromination. जसे आपण हॅलोजिनेशन, जसे आपण फिनॉलच्या रिएक्शन बघितल्या, तशाच ह्या कोणाच्या रिएक्शन आहे? कोणाच्या? इथरच्या. नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन आपल्याला बघायची आहे. नोट डाऊन केली, त्याचा स्क्रीनशॉट घेऊ शकता तुम्ही, नोट डाऊन करा. सिंपल, पॅराब्रोमो हा लेस क्वांटिटी मध्ये असेल आणि ऑर्थोब्रोमो हा लेस क्वांटिटी मध्ये आणि पॅराब्रोमो काय आहे? लार्ज क्वांटिटी. ओके. Next reaction, what is that? That is nitration. आता nitration मध्ये it is second one, nitration. What do you mean by nitration? Addition of NO2 group. Addition of NO2 group. And we know that NO2 group is the best electrophile. NO2 plus. We know that NO2 group is the best electrophile. So that anisole will undergo the nitration. So what is the reaction? Suppose we have taken this anisole, and when it undergoes the nitration, nitration is always carried out in presence of nitrating mixture. What is that nitrating mixture? Concentrated nitric acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, it will produce, what is that? काय तयार होतं इथं? Here is the formation of NO2 plus, and this NO2 plus is acts as the electrophile. Okay, simple reaction as like a bromination. It is the electrophile. We know that at ortho and para position of the anisole, there is the electron density is accumulated. If this electrophilic substitution has to occur, it will happens or it will attack at the ortho as well as para position. So there will be the again formation of two chances of formation of two products. One is ortho nitroanisole. It is anisole. First possibility is ortho nitroanisole, and second possibility is para nitroanisole. सेकंड पॉसिबिलिटी कौन है? प्यारा नाइट्रो एनिसोल. ओके, it is para nitro anisole. Now again, which product is minor and which product is major? So is there what is the structure of NO2 group? That we know. NO2 group means N double bond O minus and nitrogen having the plus charge. It is the structure of NO2. So is there again any chances to form the hydrogen bonding between this oxygen and the hydrogen of this oxygen and so on? No. There is no any hydrogen present on this oxygen. या कार्बन वरचे हायड्रोजन या ऑक्सिजन सोबत हायड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग तयार करत नसतात. ओके, सो देर इज नो एनी चान्स टू फॉर्म द हायड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग. So which product will be major and which product will be minor? Again same as like the bromination. This product, orthonitro product, will be minor. It is the minor, near about 10 to 20%, and para nitroanisole will be the major. It will be the major product due to symmetry. Due to what? Symmetry. Due to symmetry. Para nitroanisole will be the major product as compared to orthonitroanisole. बघा, या रिएक्शन मध्ये तुम्हाला काहीच लक्षात ठेवायचं नाही. फक्त नायट्रेटिंग मिक्सचर, in presence of nitrating mixture, always the nitration is carried out of phenol as well as anisole as well as any aromatic compound. So addition of NO2 group, NO2 is the electrophile. It will attach on the ortho as well as para position of the anisole, and there will be the formation of corresponding product. Orthonitroanisole will be the minor product and para nitroanisole will be the major product. रिएक्शन सोप्या लिहून करायच्या. प्रॅक्टिस करत असताना लिहून करायच्या. जोपर्यंत तुम्ही रिएक्शन्स लिहित नाही तोपर्यंत तुम्हाला या रिएक्शन लक्षात राहत नसतात. आणि साध्या रिएक्शन सिंपल. ओके, सो इट इज अबाउट द नायट्रेशन. नाउ वी हॅव टू सी द व्हेरी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट रिएक्शन which is already we have seen in halogen derivative of alkane. Okay, that is the alkylation of the alkane. As like that, we have to see one important reaction. Have you written this? Nitration लिहिलं नसेल तर लिहून घ्या किंवा स्क्रीनशॉट घ्या. Okay, so next, that is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Next reaction is third one, Friedel-Crafts, or it is also called as Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. What is meant by alkylation? What is meant by nitration, addition of NO2 group? What is meant by halogenation, addition of halogen? As like that. What is meant by alkylation, addition of alkyl group? So it is again very very popular reaction in organic chemistry, that is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. And in this reaction we are introducing alkyl group into that aromatic ring. Okay, so what is the reaction? We may call it as Friedel-Crafts alkylation. कोणाच्या रिएक्शन करतोय आपण? एनिसोलच्या. So we can say that here is we are carried out the alkylation of anisole. So what is anisole? It is the structure of anisole. It is anisole, OCH3. Okay. Remember, when this anisole is react with alkyl halide, suppose we have taken methyl chloride, in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, anhydrous aluminum chloride. Aluminum chloride is the Lewis acid that we know. What is aluminum chloride? It is the Lewis acid, electron deficient acid is there. Anhydrous aluminum chloride in presence of organic solvent, that is carbon disulfide. कंडिशन्स आर व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. फ्रेडल-क्राफ्ट अल्कायलेशन मध्ये that reaction is always carried out in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride as well as organic solvent. And we are adding the alkyl group. So alkylating agent is alkyl chloride. Okay, alkylating agent कौन है? Alkyl chloride. That is methyl chloride अपन घेतला. Very simple. What is the mechanism and so on? That already we have seen in halogen derivative of alkane. But you have to remember that aluminum chloride is the Lewis acid. It will accept this Cl minus towards itself, and if there is the Cl minus is transferred to this aluminum chloride because it is the electron deficient, and Cl minus will go there with their electrons. At that time, that alkyl group will have with charge, positive charge. And we can say that if any species having the positive charge, that species we are called it as electrophile. So here is alkyl group is the electrophile. And we know the resonating structure of the anisole. At ortho and para position, there is the electron density is accumulated. So what will be the product? Product is first priority. First product. What is this? It is CH3. Here is CH3. Okay. Second product. What is the second product? Second product, that alkyl group will attach at the para position. It will attach at the para position. Now what is the name of this compound? Okay, when suppose there is no any group and when CH3 is attached to the benzene ring, that particular molecule is called a toluene. What is the name of this molecule? Toluene. So we can say that it is the toluene, and this methoxy is the substituent of that toluene. So what is the name of this compound? 2-methoxytoluene. What is the name of this compound? 2-methoxytoluene. And what is the name of this compound? It is 4-methoxytoluene. What is the name of this compound? It is 4-methoxytoluene. Okay. Now question is that which is the major product and which is the minor product. Major कोण असेल आणि minor कोण असेल? As usual, there is no any chance of hydrogen bonding, so it should be minor. It should be minor product and it should be major product. You have to remember this. It should be major product. Okay. So it is called as we are adding the alkyl group. So we are call it as alkylation. And what is the name of that alkylation? Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Now we have to see the next reaction, that is Friedel-Crafts acylation. What is that? Friedel-Crafts acylation. What is meant by Friedel-Crafts acylation? As like that alkylation. जसा आपण अल्कायलेशन केलं तसा आपण इथं काय करतोय? Acylation. And what is meant by acylation? That you know, addition of acyl group and acylating agent. That also we know. Acylating agents are acid chloride, or we may call it as acetyl chloride, acetic anhydride. These are the acylating agent. Reaction is again very simple. That is also called as Friedel-Crafts acylation. But here we are introducing acyl group. And what is acyl group? Suppose we are taking here acetyl chloride. So it is the acetyl chloride in presence of again anhydrous aluminum chloride. Same catalyst is there. Solvent, addition of acetyl group at ortho position CH3. it is, what is this? CH3, C double bond O, and here is C double bond O, CH3. Now what happened? We know that this aluminum chloride is the Lewis acid. It will attract this chlorine atom towards itself. If there is the breakage of this Cl bond, CCl bond, that Cl minus will be released. Means the remaining species is that carbon will have the weak charge plus charge. And this species is called as aceto group. What is the name of this species? Aceto group. In this aceto group, that carbonyl carbon, it is the carbonyl carbon because it is attached to the oxygen. This carbonyl carbon having the positive charge. And if any species having the positive charge, we may call it as electrophile. All other things that we know at ortho and para position, there is the electron density will be accumulated in the anisole. So that aceto group will attach at the ortho as well as at meta position. Now what is the name of this compound? Remember, when this aceto group is attached to the benzene ring, this is called as acetophenone. And it is the derivative of acetophenone. What is the name of this compound? 2-methoxy acetophenone. What is the name of this compound? 2-methoxy acetophenone. And what is the name of this compound? It is 4-methoxy acetophenone. 4-methoxy acetophenone. Again, question is that which is the major product and which is the minor? Again, same. Due to symmetry, para isomer will be the major and ortho isomer will be the minor. It is the minor product and it is the major product. So remember, well, these are the very, very important reactions of ether. Within that, we have seen halogenation, nitration, Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. मित्रांनो, या सर्व रिॲक्शन्स झाल्या